Dominoes, Level 1. Jake's Parrot, by Paul Hearn and Yetish Ozcan. Retold by John Escott. Read by Alison Dowling, Stephen Kinman, Kate Locke, David Menken, and Nigel Pilkington. Published and copyright Oxford University Press, 2011. Chapter 1. Dinner for One. Jake Stevens felt excited. The plane came down, and he looked out of the window. So, this was Dublin Airport.
Goodbye, Californian sun. Hello, Irish rain,
he thought. It was warm and the sky was blue when he left his San Francisco home that December morning. Here, the sky was dark and cold, but Jake felt good. He was a writer, and he worked for the American computer company BananaTech in San Francisco. He was in Ireland because the people at BananaTech in Dublin needed help with the company's newest computer game. Jake was the writer of the game, so he knew all about it, of course. 30 minutes later, he was in the airport building. An old friend met him there.
Hi, Al,
said Jake. Al once worked in the California office, but now he worked in Dublin.
Hi, Jake,
answered Al.
How are you doing?
Okay,
Jake told him. Then Jake saw someone with Al, a very pretty girl. His smile was suddenly bigger.
Who's this?
He asked.
Bridget,
Al said.
She works in the office here.
Hi, Bridget,
said Jake.
Hello, Jake,
answered Bridget. She had a nice smile. Jake thought.
It's my first time in Ireland.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?